Hey, what's up? Tech Hill here. This is the OnePlus 9. The mobile is of 55,000 rupees and this is a 12 GB RAM and 256 GB storage variant. So we finally have it. Let's just open it up. Let's remove the plastic wrap on the top. So opening up, there is the mobile. We'll keep it aside and let's see what's more in the box. At the top, there is a transparent case, some documentation, stickers, a red cable club card, and a SIM ejector tool. Then there is a 65-watt power brick and a Type-C to Type-C charging cable. So let's now remove the plastic wrap of the phone. Here is the mobile, and that is all about the unboxing. Let's now move on to the design and build of the mobile. So this mobile has a reflective shiny back panel. Then the camera module on the top gives a really good look to the mobile. Coming to the buttons, there is a power button and an alert slider on the right and a volume rocker on the left. Then on the bottom there is a dual speaker, a Type-C charging port and a SIM tray. This mobile has a completely flat display on the front and has a really good grip while holding, as it is provided with curved edges on the back. Then at last, the fingerprint sensor is given right below the screen. It works so well and has a sudden response. So coming to the display, it has 6.55-inch FHD Plus display and also has a 120Hz refresh rate. The bezels are so thin and the mobile is really great for watching videos. This mobile has a peak brightness of 1100 nits, as you can use it in the brighter conditions as well. Talking about the camera part, on the back it has a triple camera setup with 50 megapixel ultra wide camera, 48 megapixel main camera and 2 megapixel monochrome camera. On the front, it has a 16 megapixel selfie camera. Coming to the performance, it has a Snapdragon 888 processor. It is really so smooth while closing or opening the apps or while scrolling up and down. And mainly, the UI Oxygen OS is so comfortable while using the mobile. Last but not least, this mobile is provided with 6500 mAh battery and also has a 65-watt fast charging brick inside the box. While it takes just 29 minutes to charge the device fully. So thanks for watching, catch you up in the next video.